do a sacrifice. So thina abantu abamnyama kukhona altars. How do you know? Sacrifice. Kuba nothi impostile sikhona sacrifice ekhaya. Bakuzala umntana. Ngoba nabathi ku system yasekhaya siyazi. Ku system noba kuyathathwa ku system.
Hayi ubudidi, ubudoctor in divinity.
Noba kuyathathwa, there's a system. There's a system elandelwayo. And uba uye wafuna uzidefine out of it, bayakwazi ba nabazali bathi bavukelane na ifamily yakwazi ukukulwa.
Didi. Yes, didi. Doctor in divinity.
Do you know why? It's not them that are angry. It is the spirits that rules the system, because one was defined out of them. You cannot define yourself out of this system. Izobhoka namhla uthatha ithi ndiyawufuna umthatho wakho. I want your marriage to be under a system. I need legalities in your marriage. Uzawutyisa utsiko, uzawuxhelelwa, uzayityiswa inyongo. It's a system of dominion. Asalama kudaya likada. We must understand these things from a point. It's a system. So automatically uyathatha noba sosinisiwe usifaka kula system, umthatho wakho automatically is under that system. Satan akwazi ungena emthathweni legal operate. Kutheni kuthiwa inyongo iyakraka ingase kuyawuhlala ukraka apha. Kuthiwe uyanyanyezela umthatho ibe yilanguage, because uthuki ungena ngobukraka, uyaxelela uba uzawunyamezela kuzawukraka apha. Nikhona uthi wawungena uxapha kuthena usile imfazwe awurelax up. A system. Someone say it's a day of deliverance.
The day of deliverance.
So the enemy operates from a point of what? Altars, covenants. Number 4, from foundations and roots. Operate from foundations and roots. What are foundations? Your roots, your bloodline, things that flow in the blood. Your family, where were you born?
Genealogy.
Your genealogy, because he knows that Satan, that whatever is in you, for it goes through your DNA. So what are your roots? Your roots, your foundations are your beginnings. Things that you do when you are where you were born. Who gave birth to you? What happened when you were born? Which lineage are you coming from? The enemy operates from those. So any legalities. So Satan mayifuna uthatha isizukulwane, uthatha umuntu eyi1, avule igate, akathathi yena yedwa. He gives legalities to ever. Jonga ngokona ku-Adam oyi1 sonke sona. System, even to this day, sisastragishane sono through one man that sinned. What was it? What system did he use? It's a system of foundation. It's a system of roots. So even 7,000 years after Adam wafayo, sisastragishane into Adam ayistragishanayo. Sisalwa nento usatha uAdam wayelwa nayo. What is that system? It's a system of roots. Who gave birth to you? What did they do? Becomes your foundation. uLevi wasikhupha umnikelo wasikhupha ishumi eku-Abraham kodwa sisizukulwana sesingaphi sesine. In other words, what Abraham did affected a fourth generation. Kulapho nisakhona namhlanje. Foundations. I want to deal with foundations. What Abraham did affected generations. uLevi became
There's no to who's shared as phone.
Someone say system. Today I want to talk about systems of foundations. But another system is a system of dreams. Dreams. It's one of the systems Satan is I said spiritual entities use dreams. Joseph was called by God through dreams. It's a system. The enemy uses dreams. Abantu abaninzi izinto abasiluzayo basiluza in their dreams. He attacks before zenzeke physical. Most of the time we want in a dream. There are no ordinary dreams. Dreams are spiritual realm. Dreams is a spiritual world. Attacks means zenzeka in a dream. When something is about to happen, firstly, the enemy has to establish it in the spiritual realm. That's why when an attack comes, uzaqala attack in the dream. Abanye izigulo nazo are not natural nazifumana kwi dreams. Abanye ifibroid nazifumanayo zanizifumanayo nazifumana in a dream. When you dream somebody injecting you, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream eating, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream drinking something, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream being chased, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream it's not an ordinary dream. Something in the spirit. Because dreams are spiritual. When you dream having sex, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream having a baby, it's not an ordinary dream. When you dream getting married, it's not an ordinary dream. Dreams. Sabuya foundations. Number 5, dedications, rituals, and ceremonies. Rituals. These are gateways in the land. This is where the enemy. Rituals, ceremonies. Satan has done dedications. What were dedicated? What was slaughtered? What was said when we were dedicated? Ceremonies that were done on your behalf. Things that were slaughtered on your behalf. Ceremonies. Izinto kwahlala ngegama lakho. Izinto zaselwayo zaselwa ngegama lakho. Ceremonies, these are systems. If you are systematic, they outlive individuals. Generations after generations, these systems are still the same. Number 6, territorial. The enemy used the system of territories. Some of his izinto nazo are territorial in nature. Ngoba manje akuvambosini. What does it mean territorial? It means kukhona amademon engingqi. Kukhona i-powers esebenza ngengingqi ezinikwe legalities zii-prince and princesses of the area. Ashalabakada. Kufuneka nihambe nibe territorial as the church. You must go to a place in Bastille where Handbay, you are territorial. You become principalities. You become gatekeepers, not by mouth. Spiritual. In the spirit, spiritually, Nina Balaulai. Ubanitini as the valley was still as valley. Because no Satan has spiritual entities, physical entities, the prince Zach, the principalities, as it a helping. Territorial means there's a certain spirit that is ruling in a certain area. Yakumulu Daniel, Matandas, my Chandazai, Yapuma, Impendul, Isuga boutique, but Ayafika Bui, Ingelosiake, Yabanjwa, the Prince of Persia, Yavalwa, Yabanja, Governor Tunyel, an archangel. By the name of Michael, Io Lisa, Ingelos, Daniel, Ingelos Ibanjiwe. I did Ingelos Ibanjiwe. Ibanjwe, a demonic principality, a demonic prince. There were legalities. But when that would Daniel, we are thunders. In a Karayo, Lengelos Yabanj. But if you're not here to think it's powerful, I know what's bad. What I want. Oh, Yabanjiwe. Governor Kutunyere Ingelos. Io Kulula Ingelos. Tell me something, I just want him.
Yeah.
How much I don't? Penalon, Impendu. Isisa, Nempendu, Logan, Daniel, Yabanjwa, Ingelos, Ibanjwa, the territorial spirit, the prince of Persia, Yaivale Ingelos, Ayakwazuzula Ingelos. Ingelos is a Ikululege, Governor Utunyelwe, another angel by the name of Michael, is Okulula Ingelos. Ebanjiweyo, the territorial spirit. Kuteni banjiwe Ingelos. There are legalities even in the spirit. That angel was not an angel of war, was a messenger, was an angel of information. In other words, go legalities are illuiona, a petty message. The message is angithathe kodwa yavaleka. In other words, go legalities, you could not take the message because they are in line yayo, but you know what we valela. Kwafuna kuthunya Ingelos yomlo. Ingazothatha message, izokhuluma Ingelos ephethe message. Sange uMichael azoyikhulula athatha message, athi we failed. Wafika wayikhulula wathi qhubeka ne-message. In other words, they understand which department there is order in heaven. Katosha. There is order in heaven. In other words, this was a messenger. This was an angel of information. They are with department of communication. So Yona ithatha a message into men. Yona is not an angel of war, but yabanjwa i-principality erulishayo. Ayakwazi ukulwa against the principalities. Wafuna kuthunyelwa ingelosi yomlo to come and release an angel. Yathi ingelosi mayikhulu yathi ngiyaqhubeka nejeni. Mayifika kuDaniel, from the first day you prayed, you were answered. But in But there's something happened. I have to tell you what happened. That in the says and abanjwa. Then kwafuna uthunywa uMikhayeli. Territorial. Someone say territorial. These are territorial. In other words, the enemy operates from when you don't understand territorial legalities. Ungabanjwa kanti izinto asekho sezulwini. Sibanje territorial. Karusha taya. Can I prophesy? Apindo zakho sibanje khona maybe kulalo suka kuyo. Siyasikhuluma. Kathi meza sizawula tonight kathi meza kuzabonakala tonight. Hayi ku Friday namhlanje ku Friday asicabanga sawubiza umlilo territorial siyabawisa sizabawisa Eastern Cape sizabawisa ezilalini siyabakhona abantu. Someone say fire. Sizaya kwizizukulwana sizakwenza corrections, sizaw destroy altars, sizaw carry covenants. Say to your neighbor, don't just pray, don't just fight. Fight systematically, fight with knowledge, fight with understanding. You don't just declare warfare. You fight from a place of knowledge. Territorial. Karata kusada. Ihambe ibanjwa nje impostile ibanje territorial. Masifuna abantu basindiswa apha. We must wage war against territorial powers in the name of Jesus. Onkodabo Satan abakule ndawo abavala abantu bamfabeke abenza abantu bangasindiswa. Siyawabamba lo madimoni, siyawa arresta. Zonke covenants zamabhulu, zonke covenants abantu abamhlophe kule areas enziwayo, ialtars ezivusiweyo ezivala insindiso, ezivala breakthrough, ezivala impumelelo. Shata territorial demons ekwathiwa iMandela yenziwa specially for garden boy. No, yenziwa specially for a garden boy. Nandoni abantu abasebenza kitchen. That's us. In other words, territorially, the spirit that is ruling iMandela sithi abantu balapha bafanele uba bayosebenza egadini, bafanele uba bayosebenza ekitchen. But in the name of Jesus, we are a different generation. Ningabona kungekho graduates kanti nibanjwe ngumoya wekhithe, nibambe ngumoya wamahesi, umuntu omnyama kule territory. Jonke indawo yayenzelwe ntoni? Yangenzelwanga i-professionals le ndawo, yangenzelwanga i-engineers le ndawo, yangenzelwanga i-farm workers, yayenzela abantu bamakitchen. Abantu ababesebenza emakitchen nakwi-restaurant bayenza apha kwenze babe futshane emakitchen, babe futshane emahesini. In other words, the territorial demon of the area, ithi limitation yalapha nizawusebenza emakitchen, niza nina ningabantwana niyazalwa nizalwe eMandela, awuyazi territorial demons eziphethe indawo. Igama kutheni ningathi break forth, kutheni niyeke isikolo before time, kutheni ungagraduate. There is a terror. Who says I hear you? I hear you. The devil is in trouble today. The demons are in trouble today. I prophesy about Balapa. They are breaking out. They are breaking out the limitations, the powers of territory. Territorial demons as Mandela. Nina, get you will be rich. You will make it. You will be graduates. Abantwana baza graduate. Uba usebenza kitchen, abazi usebenza kitchen. Bazaba zitishana, bazaba zinese, bazaba ngamaqwetha. Ngegama lika Yesu, we override. Ngiyafuna ubasusa karada kusala. Kodwa khona into ezingiphazamisayo. Ngegama lika Jesu. Lord I decree territory. Yeah, even territorial demons.
It makes sense. It makes sense.
Now, ngoku uyabona nje ndithetha ngafungatha nje ndithetha sekhulweni is understandayo sekhulweni isibonayo sekukhona arabada hashataya ritala ikhataya umanzi babancabile ogqirha because was never a territory ogqirha ufumanzi babancabile lawyers apha kodwa abantu abaxhaphakileyo ngabantu abasebenza ezifamini ngabantu abasebenza nabelungu ngabantu abasesigadini but in the name of Jesus nina a different generation. You are called to raise a different generation. When the church has arrived, when the church has arrived, I prophesy, these are coming PMs bag up, these are coming messages bag up, these are kind of business. Nanize ku business abelungu izawuqala zenu nanize kumayesi izabanina abangena kwamayesi niyawawuna ngoba nefuneka beyiqalile. Who must break the curse? The church. We must break it. We must break that system. We must break that evil system.